Ciao Tesla people, today new accessories, and this time is from Tlyard. I have a discount code, Ciao Tesla, 25% off. I think they have a big sale for Black Friday. So it's basically the charging station, docking station for Model Y and Model 3, I think. Yeah, Model 3 Highland. Oh, pretty cool. And this is the box. Let me do the unboxing. Let me put you right here so you can see the unboxing. And this station is pretty cool because it puts a lot of effort on safety, which is pretty cool, and it has retractable double Type-C USB cables, so which is good. So this is the box. Let me unbox it. Okay, so let's put that there. Safety has come first. Very cool. I like this. Some installation instruction, Chinese and English in the back. No, Chinese. It's only Chinese? Yeah, unfortunately, yes. And this is the box. Okay. Let me remove the plastic part and remove the plastic here. Let's move the box down here. And this is the charging station. So it has two USB retractable. Very cool. And they look like the Cybertruck type of shape, you see? Very nice. And one is 60 watts and the other one is 30 watts. But in addition to these two, there is another USB here, which is 30 watts, okay? And this goes inside like this. As you might know, Model Y Juniper has a 12 volts plug inside the storage here and not the USB, which is kind of weird. But this one will fix the problem because otherwise you had to plug in the back for USB. So let's remove the wire here. Okay. So the charging station is 78 euros. And with my code, the Ciao Tesla, you get 25% off. So it's a nice deal. So let's open the compartment here. And let me show you inside. I have a bit of a mess. So down here you have a light. And this hole here will let the light in. So which is cool. So it goes like that. Okay. You have to place it on the side like this, so it gets hooked on the side. Goes all the way to the back. Very cool. I like that. And this is how looks like. Very cool. And now let's plug it inside the 12 volt plug down there. Sorry. Okay, like that. Which is a bit low. And that's it. I plugged. Very cool. So, and then if you close like this and you push a little bit, it closes all the way. So, very cool. So it doesn't look like there is anything. The aluminum color is the same. You have a USB-C right here. There's a logo here. And then to open it, just push a little bit like this. There is some plugs, some buttons here so that the know it's closed, okay? And these are the retractable wires, which are pretty long. Oh my god, it gets all the way to the roof, which is nice. So let's plug something. Okay, my phone USB doesn't work well, so I'm going to plug my action camera, and let's check it out. Okay, plugged in. Oh, well, I have to plug the 12 volt plug down here, of course. And done. Okay. And now I plugged in. Here you see there is a white light on the plug and it's charging. Very cool. And these plugs are pretty cool because it looks like a Cybertruck. Very nice. I like that touch. And then you put it back here, and don't stay here like this, but put it on a flat with a magnet. I like that. Nice touch. You know, this, and then you push it a bit to close it. Very nice. Anyway, very cool charging station for the Model Y. Fortunately, there are USB plugs now, so I don't have to look for the charging port in the back with a long wire. I like that. Anyway, there is a discount code, 25% off with the code Ciao Tesla. So use that. And that's it. So let me know if you like it, comment, and let me know if you have any suggestions and comments for this product. Okay? So check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla, use my referral code. The link is in the description. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, comment, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.